Now let us see example 6.27. Now see the question. The horizontal distance between two buildings is 140 meter. The angle of depression of the top of the first building when see from the top of the second building is 30 degree. If the height of the first building is 60 meter, find the height of the second building. And root 3 value also they have given. First you have to understand the question. After you can draw the diagram. Okay, so in our question what they have given, two buildings are there, one first building and the second building. Okay, so this is the first building, this is the second building. Why we have not drawn both the height of the building same? This one we have drawn short, this one we have drawn long, because from the top of the second building only they are looking at the top of the first building. Okay, from the top of the second building they are looking at the top of the first degree in 30 degree angle. Okay, so that's why we have drawn the second building long, first building short. That's then only we can see from the top of the second building we can see the top of the first building. Okay, so now see, after distance between the two buildings what they have given, 140 meter they have given. This building and this building, in between the distance they have given, that is 140 meter. And then height of the first building they have given, that is 60 meter. Now we can see how to draw the diagram. So now see, so this is the first building. Okay, so height of the first building they have given, that is 60 meter they have given. The next one, this is the second building. Already I said why we have drawn this one short, this one long, because in our question they have given from the top of the second building only they are looking at the top of the first building. So if we make it this one long only, we can see that one. Okay, so now afterwards here this one. Okay, so distance between this one they have given, that is 140 meter. Okay, so now that this is the first building, this is the second building. So first building height they have given 60 meters. First building you can make it short, second building you can make it long. Okay, so after distance between these two buildings they have given, that is 140 meter. Already I said this one 140 meter mean this distance also 140. You can join that line also. Okay, so 140 meter only it will come. So you know that this distance 60, this both one same only, parallel only. Okay, so this for 140 mean this also 140 only it will come. The next one, this side 60 meter mean this much length also 60 meter only it will come. This much length, that is 60 meter. The next one, so from the top of the second building only they are looking at the top of the first building. You know that this is the top of the first building, this is the top of the second building. Okay, so now in which degree angle they are looking at the top of the first building? So you know that in 30 degree angle. So angle how will you make? So you know that line of sight with the horizontal line. So when you are standing here means, so this is the horizontal line. So you know that. Okay, so when you look at the straight, so this is the horizontal line. Line of sight in our question what they have given, from the top of the second building they are looking at the top of the first building. So this is the line of sight. In which degree angle they are looking at the looking at this building? In 30 degree angle. Okay, so now see here this is the Z shape. Alternate angles what are they? So here this is, you can think this is shirt shape, you can think. Okay, so this is 30 degree angle mean this also 30 degree angle only it will come. Okay, so now you have one right angle triangle, you have got it. In our question what they have asked to find out, so here they have asked to find out this full distance only they have asked to find out. Okay, so already you know that this much distance 60, because this side 60, this much distance means here also 60 only it will come. So remaining this much distance only we need to find out. Can you understood? So here one right angle triangle you have, that angle also we found it. After in this distance only we need to find out. They have asked this full distance. Full distance means height of the second building they have asked, but this distance you know that is 60. This much distance only we needed. So after both one if you add it means you can get it the height of the second building. Can you understood or not? So after make the letter A, B. So here C. Anyway you can put the letter. Okay, so C, D. Here we have taken M. Okay, so after this distance only we need to find out or not? Yes, that distance you can consider as a height. Okay, so in our question what and all what they have given, two buildings are there. First building you can make it short, second building you can make it long. So that's then only you can see from the top of the second building you can see the top of the first building. Okay, so after both the buildings distance you know that is 140 meter. After height of the first building they have given 60. So this 140 mean this distance also 140. So this line also you can join. Okay, so this side this side 60 meter mean this side also 60 meter only. The next one in 30 degree angle only. So you know that angle how it will form. The line of sight and the horizontal line in between only angle will form. So if you are standing here mean this is the horizontal line. Horizontal line mean when he looks at straight. Okay, so this is the horizontal line. Line of sight mean from the top of the second building they are looking at the top of the first building. So this is the line of sight. In between the angle will form, that is 30 degree angle only they are looking at the top of the first building. So you know that here this is not a right angle triangle, so here we cannot find out. So here we needed the angle. So you know that this angle and this angle is alternate angles, so you keep it in your mind, this is Z shape. So this is 30 degree mean this also 30 degree only. Now you have this right angle triangle angle also, you know that. So this in our question they have asked to find out this full height only they have asked to find out, but this distance we know that this much only we are going to find out using this right angle triangle. Okay, so after put the letter also. Now see right here the height of the first building. Height of the first building here, what is it? 60 meter. The next one, this 60 mean this also 60 only it will come. Already I said both one parallel, same distance only. So MD distance also 60 only. The next one, CD be the height of the second building. Okay, so C to D, this is the height of the second building. So this distance you know that is 60. This distance only we are going to, this much distance only we are going to find out, that you can consider as a height. The next one, that is CM is equal to height. So CD length only we need to find out. That means which two lengths we have to add it? CM plus MD. MD value we know that, CM we have taken height. Height value only we are going to find out. So that you have to write CM plus MD. CD is equal to CM that you have taken as a height. Height plus MD you know that 60. Height plus 60. Distance we know that AM. So this building to this building distance they have given 140. AM also 140. Here also BD also 140. Both one is parallel. Okay, so same distance only 140. Angle also you know that XCA, angle C and angle A both one is same only because alternate angles. So XCA 30 degree means CAM also 30 degree only. Okay, so everything they have given, we have written here. Okay. Now we are going to take this right angle triangle. Can you name the right angle triangle? This is the right angle. Okay, so can you name that one? CMA or AMC. Okay, so anyway you can write right angle triangle. So you know that in this right angle triangle this is a right angle. So right angle opposite, this is the hypotenuse. Okay, so after this angle this side is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side. Okay, so you know that. Now adjacent side you know that hypotenuse, this height value only we need to find out. So opposite and the hypotenuse mean tan ratio you can use it or not. So tan angle that is 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to opposite and divided by adjacent. Opposite means CM divided by AM. Okay, so CM divided by AM. Tan 30 degree value you know that from the tabular column, that is 1 by root 3 is equal to CM. CM means CM that height we have taken height divided by AM. AM means distance you know that is 140. So now see here. So this 140 can you bring it to this side? So this is the division part. When you bring it to this side, that it will become multiplication. So 1 into 140, 140 divided by root 3 only we will get. So height is equal to 140 divided by root 3. So already we know that the denominator we have the irrational number. Okay, so if you want to make this whole number means what number you have in the denominator, the same number you have multiply and divide means then you can make it the denominator whole number. Okay, so 140 divided by root 3. Here root 3 irrational number. This number only we are going to multiply and divide. So root 3 divided by root 3. So 140 into root 3, 140 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3, you know that value is 3 only. Now see this denominator, you have the whole number only. After root 3 value in our question they have given, that is 1.732. So 140 into 1.732 divided by 3. Then height is equal to this and this you have to multiply and divided by 3. If you divide means you will get the answer height. So this what distance we have got it? This distance we have got it. But in our question they have asked second building height only they have asked. So this much distance already you know that is 60. This much distance now only we found it, that is 80.83. Both one can you add it or not? So we needed CD distance. CD means CM plus MD. CM distance now only we found it, that is 80.83. So 80.83. After this distance we know that it's 60. Can you add it both ones? So height of the second building CD is equal to CM plus MD. So CM you know that height value you can apply here plus MD, you know that 60. Both one if you add it mean you have got it the answer. Height of the second building, that is 140.83. So answer you have to write height of the second building is 140.83 meter. Okay, so that is the answer.